Hello viewers, today I am going to introduce you a Kindle paperwhite e-reader now, which is very much thinner and lighter. And the most important thing is it is waterproof. You can read it in water, even anywhere. So viewers, we can see this is very smart looking e-reader which you can carry everywhere with a splash of rain, no problem. New flash front design, now is even much more better audible. You can listen to it, and it is coming in 4 colors: black, twilight blue, plum and sage. So you can choose your color. Now let's have a quick look. You can find your favorite story by the search. You can search for it and you'll get it and read it. You have no problem reading in the darkness. It will not flash in your eyes, no glazing. You can just read it comfortably, and you can have a cup of tea with it. I think that's an amazing feature that you can take in water and no fear for getting it soaked. And yeah, relax, swim, have a bath and read. It looks very smart when you can carry with your bag. If you are looking forward to buying it or having a look, just click the link from my description box and remember to subscribe my channel. Yeah, you can take it to the website from where you can buy it. Yes, keep eyes on my channel for the future new technologies which are modern as well, and stay tuned with my channel by the subscription. I'll show you the more technologies which are upcoming, and till then, bye bye.